Perfect. Please give it up for Team LawRef.
Hi, this is Henning, Lisa, and I'm Stephanie, and I work as a lawyer in mostly banking and transactions law. So as such, I want to know about the rules of conduct for securities services providers. So I go on the internet and I look up section 63 of the Securities Trading Act. And as I read through it, I see that it refers to a section 80. So I click on it, and it opens up in a separate window. And then I remember that the banking authority had issued a circular on this matter, and I also am not so sure about the definition, so I have to look them up too. And then I remember there's some directive that section 63 is based on, so after 45 seconds, my screen looks like this. I'm lost, and this is obviously a problem for me.
Okay, so I feel like in your head it looks like this at the moment. So good for you that we just might have the solution for you. It is called LawRef. And from what you just explained to us is that I get that a norm, you look at the legal norm in this way. Like the norm is in the center, and there's norms referencing your norm, and there's citations by this norm to other acts, to other sections of other acts. And there's directives of the EU that are higher in the hierarchy of this norm, and there's lower level norms. So what we did is we took this structure, this way of thinking, and we actually put it into an app, a web app. So this is the interface of LawRef. So you were just talking about the section 63 of the Securities Trading Act, okay? So what you can do is you just open that up, and you get exactly that structure. So in the center is your norm, the paragraph 63. On the left-hand side, you can see the sections that this norm is referenced by, and on the right-hand side are the sections that are referenced by paragraph 63. So you immediately can see where this norm is in the legal structure. On the top, you can see the directives that are also relevant to this act, and on the top, on the bottom, you can see maybe lower level laws that can be relevant to you. So what you can do now is you can just open up those citing norms. So you don't have to open up different tabs. You can open them up as you need them. You can read through the norm, and you can just even get highlights to where these norms are. Like, there's lots of citations, so we just want to make that easier for you. And as a goodie for you, we also included definitions of norms. So whenever you want to look up a norm that is that has a definition in the beginning of the norm, we just add that for you right there, so you don't even have to look that up. You can also navigate between those citing norms, so you can just open them up too in the center as well. So would that work for you?
Yes, that would be perfect. So is this, are there any new features planned for the future maybe?
Yes, of course. This is not everything. For the future, there are some nice features to add. We want to add court decisions and publications of relevant authorities remaining relevant to your area of law. So you will have everything on your workplace at one overview. Yes, and it's a simple solution for a day-to-day problem, and we hopefully will help you in your future work. If you ask yourself how you might earn money with this solution, one option for us would be to integrate it, incorporate in a bigger solution of some bigger legal discovery service provider, or make a free standalone solution with some additional features to pay for. Those are our options for a business case in this solution. So get rid of all the tabs, use LawRef, and thank you very much for your attention.
Thank you very much. Is that actually online? Could I use it, because it seems super useful?
Almost.
Not yet. Okay, almost. Thank you. Please send me an email when it's done. It's awesome.